Hey everyone! I hope you're having an incredible day today. Let's dive right into the one-day chart for Pepe. Pepe to USDT is showing some early signs of a potential trend reversal after successfully defending that key support zone between 0.000024 and 0.000027. This is exactly where buyers have repeatedly stepped in to absorb that selling pressure. This recent consolidation suggests that bearish momentum is finally fading, while the price attempts to build a much stronger base for its next move higher. So what are we looking for next? Well, a decisive breakout above 0.000032 would really strengthen this bullish outlook. That could trigger a rally toward 0.000038, followed by 0.000045. If this buying volume continues to increase and the broader crypto market remains supportive, Pepe could extend its recovery toward the 0.000052 region. And with a larger breakout, it could even open the door all the way up to 0.000072. As long as this key support zone remains intact, the overall technical structure definitely continues to favor the bulls, making Pepe one of the top meme coins you want to watch closely for a potential breakout in the coming weeks. By the way, are you looking for daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Just send me a DM with the name of your favorite cryptocurrency, and I will personally provide a detailed technical analysis just for you. Also, be sure to visit our Patreon page using the link in the description to join our premium community and unlock all of our exclusive trading content. If